Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and I'm so excited about today's video. So I have had this subscription for about 4 months, I think, without really sharing it with you guys, and I have been loving it. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the belly boxes. I think that this is my 5th box. I'm due in August, so I'd gotten a 6-month subscription. I think that that's right. So yeah, this would be my 5th one, and I've really been enjoying it. So just for reference, I'd gotten this in one of my belly boxes. It says Mama on it, and I'm sure it's going to be impossible to read, but I wear it almost every day. I love it. And then I also have this little bunny for the new baby. It's from Mamas and Papas. It's kind of got a ragdoll feel to it, so it's got stitching on the arm here, but not on this arm. It's got a nice little cross stitch here. It's just really cute. And my daughter Evelyn, who's 2, she really liked it too. So I ended up getting her a little bunny from Hazel Village that has made a few appearances over on my vlog channel, The Brightwoods. I'll leave that linked below if you want to check that out, see more of my family life. But yeah, so those are a couple things that I've gotten from the belly boxes. I do also have a couple picture frames up here that you're not going to be able to see, but they're also from there, and I love the aesthetic of this box. So let's hop into what is in this particular one. The first thing in here is a gray baseball cap that says motherhood on it. And I have to say, although I'm not usually one for baseball caps, I really like this one. And both my daughter and I are very fair, and she has really red hair, so sun protection is a must for us. Sunscreen, sunglasses, hats, the whole 9 yards are kind of our best friend. So yeah, love having this baseball cap just to throw in my bag and call it good. I do need to get her one now because she has been in this phase of anything mom does, I want to do. So if I'm putting perfume on in the morning, she wants to do it too. If I'm painting my nails, she wants her nails painted, you know, that whole thing. So I'm gonna have to find her one, and I think then she will keep her hats on even more than she already does. So I love that. And then there is this clear mug. It says bumpin' ain't easy, #worth it. I think that this is the 3rd mug that I've gotten in this box, and I have to say my favorite mug is one that it's kind of like a pottery sort of look. It's got like a little tan to it, and then it says Mama Bear in the silhouette of a bear. Love that one. I reach for that pretty much every single day, but just these little mugs are so nice. I don't know, I just really like them. And to go along with that, they included some tea. And the tea that was sent this time is from Birds and Bees Teas. It's a caffeine-free, lighthearted tea. It has marshmallow root, meadowsweet, leaf and flower, calendula flower, chamomile flower, and lavender flowers. So yeah, looks like that. And these do also include a little reusable tea sachet. So I just want to show you what this looks like because I honestly threw my first one away thinking that it didn't have anything to do with anything. But yeah, you put your tea in here, you steep it, and then you have nice tea. I do have plenty of tea balls, but I kind of like the idea of a little linen tea bag too. So keep these if you get this box. The next thing in here is a little onesie. It says the snuggle is real. This is the 2nd little onesie that I've gotten in this box. The first one said hip hugger, and it came with a mom t-shirt that said hip mama, so it kind of matches. But yeah, I think it's so cute. And then, like I said, this baby is due in August, so hopefully this fits pretty much right away. It says that it is a 6-month, so we'll see. I can put a sweater on it if I need to, but yeah. So I've got a couple more things to show you guys, but I did want to take a quick moment to apologize for a possible overabundance of jump cuts. I am 36 weeks pregnant, so I get out of breath very easily, and I don't want you guys to hear all of that like huffing and puffing, if that makes sense. So that might be what's going on. Anyway, the next thing that I have is from Harper Apothecary. This is an aromatherapy rollerball kind of thing. And this, I think this is my third one of these. I really like just the brand Harper Apothecary. There have been a couple of other things. Like I said, there have been 3 aromatherapy things, but there have also been a couple of face masks that have been amazing. They're like a powdered face mask that you add water to. I really, really like those. And then I think that there was an eye oil. I like that as well. I don't know. It's just, they've had really, really cool things. So this one is for sleep, and it has bergamot, cedarwood, lavender, and marjoram essential oils in it. And I love lavender. I don't know what it is. I think it's really, really a pretty smell. I do have it, like I have a live plant in our bathrooms just because I don't ever have to water them. They make the place smell nice. And in the summer, the ants get everywhere and they hate lavender. So that keeps them out. Oh, I really like the way that smells. Hopefully that doesn't make me sleepy now because my daughter's taking a nap, but I'm probably not going to get one. So anyway, I've got one more thing in here, and this is probably the thing that I am most excited about because I've been trying to figure out how to do like the hospital pictures for when this baby's born. I've seen plenty of those little letter boards, and I think that they're really cute, but I also think that they've been done a lot, so I don't know that I really want to do that. However, this is really cool. It's a little wooden sign that says, "Hello, my name is," and then it's got a little section of chalkboard. So I do have some chalk pens. Actually, I think we did our birth announcement with chalk pens as well. So yeah, this is really cool. And the other cool thing about this is that we don't know the gender of our baby. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl. We have a couple of names picked out that I haven't shared with a ton of people. So, I mean, we don't even know what the baby's name is right now. So that will be something that I'll fill out when we're taking that picture. So yeah, really, really excited about that. Okay, so that is everything that was in this month's box. As you can see, it was packed full of goodies. I love their aesthetic. It's very minimalistic, but it's just fun to get some of this stuff. I would highly recommend it if you are a first-time mom. There have been a few things that I've gotten that are so cute and I would love to use them, but with a 2-year-old running around, they're not as practical, I guess. So I got a sleep mask once that said sleeping for 2, and I still have it in my nightstand drawer, but taking naps just isn't as realistic as I would hope. And then there was a little door sign that said the same thing, and she would rip that thing off as fast as I put it on. So yeah, there have been a couple things that don't make as much sense for a second time or a third, you know, an experienced mom basically, but it's still really fun to get in the mail. So yeah, I really, really have enjoyed this box, and I do have one more coming. At least I think it's just one, but I know that there's for sure one more coming. So if you'd like to see that, certainly let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you are a mom. I love talking to other moms out there and hearing their experiences. So definitely just leave me a comment down there, and I'm gonna get going. Maybe I'll take a nap, probably not, but I'll definitely find something to do. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!